Did I snore last night?
Was that you? I thought it was the Kraken.
How could you fancy me?
I love it. It's very comforting. Sort of like... It's very sensual. How long do we have left?
Car's on its way.
Right.
When are you leaving?
I leave in a week.
Maybe I could come with you.
How would that work?
Well, we'd have to leave immediately. I couldn't go home first.
Yeah, you can go home. I have to go straight to the airport. Get ourselves to America.
Find a cool apartment.
Very cool. All leather sofas.
Gross sofas, all wipe clean.